everyone, welcome back to another episode of Login Helps. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to change your Binance account password. Keep watching the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button and press the notification bell icon so that you'll never miss another update from us. Now let's get started. Click open a web browser and go to the URL box at the top and type in www.binance.com and press the enter on your keyboard. You'll end up in the official website of Binance. Go and log into your account by clicking on the login button at the upper right and entering your credentials. Once you're logged into your account, go and click on your profile picture at the upper right and from the expanded menu, click on Security. Under the Security section, scroll all the way down and you'll be able to see an option that says Login Password. Click on Change right beside the login password option, and on the next page you'll get to enter your old password. The old password is the one that you are currently using for your account. Type it in the text box and type in the new password that you'd like to change to. Once you're done, move on to the next field and type in the password one more time. This time repeat the password that you typed in the new password text box. Make sure both of the passwords in the last two password boxes matches and finally click on Confirm Changes and you'll be able to change your password for your Binance account quick and easy. That is how it is done. I hope you found the video to be helpful. If you did, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Comment down below in the comment box if you have a question or a feedback for us. I'll soon be back with more tutorial episodes. Goodbye till then.